amount of priority.
Yes, and regarding other planes, we're still working on putting Wasm on Xbox.
Mm.
We're doing some progress here, and hopefully it will come soon. So it will help us to bring in more planes on Xbox.
Yep.
It's a long road.
Absolutely. All right, our next question, what is from the forums, what is the future improvements for VR pilots?
Mhm. So I think we talked about that a bit on the last Q&A. So we've decided to change the structures on the VR team. We had a VR team that were doing some VR when we started to work on VR. And why we did that choice, it was because we needed some people dedicated to this way of doing the sim, because it was started from scratch and there was a pretty huge amount of work to do. And now we are thinking that the best way of doing VR is to merge this team and the core team. So that's what has been done during the past months. So now VR is not like another way of doing the sim. It's part of the experience. So if you walk into the offices here, you will see headsets everywhere. So basically, when we're doing a new functionalities or when we're doing some improvements, whatever the kind of improvements we're bringing, could be UI, performances, new things. VR will be tested once while we are doing the feature. So it has been now considered as a platform. So we are having PC, we are having Xbox, and now we have VR and X clouds. So every time we are doing something, it has to be tested and properly tested and developed using the VR mode. So hopefully this will help us to improve the quality of the VR experience.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Martial.
And we are still working on some improvements, and I think we'll get some good news with the DLSS and the FSR coming soon. I don't want to put dates there.
Awesome. All right, third question we have here from the forums. Could you spend more time on fixing very small but annoying bugs? An example here is a set of camera bugs has been frustrating, one of them being the drone camera's undesirable rotation of the Earth, very slight. So can we talk a little bit about how we approach small bugs?
There's actually been fixes of undesirable rotations on the camera with Simulate 9. So maybe there's different things, but we keep fixing small. That's what I said earlier. We have every sim update brings hundreds of small fixes. Anything that's brought to our attention and filed, and it's, I mean, we're burning through these, and so maybe there's something else on the camera, or other issues. So we do that all the time. Yeah. It's just a report, and maybe, I don't know, maybe some of this doesn't get enough visibility or is not is further down the road.